Hello, IT Nation. I am here with Chief Customer Officer Craig Fulton of ConnectWise. What's up, Craig?
Hey, having a great time doing IT Nation things.
Woohoo! And we're here talking about IT Nation Explore.
Yeah.
For those viewing at home, what is IT Nation Explore?
IT Nation Explore is our big partner conference, and we highlight and showcase our products there. We bring everyone together so they can learn the best practices from us, from each other, and how to make their jobs easier so they can focus on what they love, working with customers and technology.
I love it. And when it comes to the folks that are attending IT Nation Explore, who's this conference really built for?
It's built for anyone, right? Any role inside the company, whether you do sales and marketing, finance operations, service delivery, owner, we've got a little of something for everyone.
With the shift to virtual this year, there seems to be more going on than ever, more attendees than ever. Can you tell me about the way you all have structured it here at ConnectWise?
Yeah, so, with everything that happened in COVID and people working from home, we have an opportunity to reach everyone, right? Because sometimes it's hard to give up so much time to travel to a conference and learn. So we're breaking it down, right? We heard from our partners, hey, I can't sit through an all-day thing, and I'm not sure which one to take. The first week, we got a couple of days, a couple hours a day, sales and marketing. Second week, finance and operations. Third week, service delivery.
I love it. And it's so easy to get involved. When it comes to registration, where do folks go to get involved at IT Nation Explore?
Yeah, go out to the website, get signed up, get registered, block off your calendars. We'll see them there.
Awesome. Pizza party at the office. Let's go. See you soon, IT Nation.